I got off at Sendai Station and searched the crowd for a glimpse of the woman from that day. I wrote just I was the beggar that day on a flyer and pinned it to the station's notice board. Every morning I checked the board while working as a day laborer at a nearby factory. After work, I bought children's shoes and polished them, hoping I was no longer who I used to be. A week later, a small flower and a letter were left beneath the flyer. The letter simply said, "I remember. I was powerless." I couldn't hold back my tears from the warmth in those words and cried behind the factory. From that day, I lived on just to say thank you to someone. The war ended and color slowly returned to the town of rubble. In my heart too, like that steamed bun, a gentle warmth remained.